Liberty. It's got some 20s on it. All custom chrome all over. What we had done is that we still got the stock converters on it. And then when you put a 18-inch body Magnaflow and custom bent tailpipes, duals. I know you guys haven't seen those before. There's one, there's the other. Custom dual job. Them are absolutely beautiful. And there it is. There's the Magnaflow. It's a tight squeeze, but we made it fit. Hope you guys like it. Let us know. 2011 Limited 4x4. Came out nice with the duals on it. Looks a lot better with duals. Magnaflow gives it a really nice. Got a rev limiter on it. And that's how it's done.